Hello everyone, this is me Satya here and I'm doing your remaining month of December reading. Start from the 22nd through the 31st of December 2020. This is going to be for the sign of Aquarius. I've already pulled out the cards, which includes tarot, oracle and color cards as well. So I will be adding charms as well as you move along. So yeah, before I dive into the reading, let me remind you it's a general reading. It may not resonate with everyone out there. So always pick the messages which are resonating and leave the rest. For personal readings, you can always reach out to me on my email ID in the description box. You can also follow me on Instagram where I do upload daily readings. So yeah, let's start the reading. Let's find out what is heading towards you guys for the remaining month time, which has already started. King of Wands paired up with Seven of Wands and Ten of Pentacles. Wow. I do see you doing the things that you need to do, and maybe this is something that you have, always you have always known the facts that some things needs to be done to have the life that you desire, to have the life exactly the way where you feel fulfilled, where you feel confident, where you feel happy, where you feel like there is abundance, stability in your life. I feel like now is the time when you are taking right actions towards what you want and how to have it. You are going to be like passionately pursuing a new journey, passionately pursuing a new start, passionately pursuing a new beginning in your life that leads you towards something that you wanted, something that you always had your dreams about. So I feel like it's more of the time where you are going to be basically seeing through things and acting upon the right and inspired ideas instead of being in your head about something. I do see you taking right actions right now, so you leave the current situation which was not getting you anything, and if you wanted to have some sort of stability coming for you, and I do see that you are taking the right actions towards those things. Let's see more cards around it. Let's see what else do we have. There is somebody in your life that you really wanted, and that you have always had love and feelings for, but I feel like that you have more of feelings, emotions, love, passion for this person, but when it comes to taking the right action that leads you towards this person, you have been doing nothing for that. So I feel like now is going to be the time when you are going to understand that the passion and love that you have for this person is not enough. You really have to take inspired actions to get what you want, which is a new beginning that you wish to have with this one person. It's gonna be like a time. It's just more like you always, like I said earlier, with the Two of Swords energy here, like I said, it is something that you always knew that you have to take some action. You cannot be wishful around it and then make things happen out of nowhere. You never used your mind to make it happen, to bring it forth in your reality using manifestation techniques. Neither you did any action or took any action towards that one thing that you wanted. But now you are thinking straight, and now you are going to work on yourself to build your confidence, to build the the much needed belief in yourself, that yes, you will have one day what you wanted, because now you are ready to work towards it. Now you are be that working physically towards it, or working from your brain towards it, towards having what you wanted. So I do see you now taking actions towards it. You will be communicating, you will be having growth towards this person as well. Like it's gonna start from within, and then it's gonna start showing outside. Like I feel like if you are in no communication with this person right now, you will be start taking action towards this person, putting an end to the past and working towards bringing balance, bringing stability, bringing mutual effort into this connection to make things happen with this specific someone. Whoever this person is, I feel like you always had your guards up against this person for some reasons. But now you really want to work towards this person with a clear mindset around it. For some of you, maybe there was a third party situation involved in this situation, where you or the person that you are dealing with was with somebody else, but now things like the third party situation or whatever that was a block in this connection is removed, and maybe that's the reason why you, or if this is the energy of the person that you are dealing with, now this person, whoever it is, you or your person, I feel like now they are ready to give into this connection because they want to make it work. For some of you, the third party situation doesn't have to be another person in their life, but it can be for some of you. But for others of you, maybe it's just something else that was more important to your person or to you, you yourself as well. But I do see you working towards your love life now, more than anything else. And I do see you taking action towards that one person. Let's see. Two more cards. Yes, because you would be missing this person. You would be, finally coming out of your comfort zone and making an action or making a plan to go and take action towards that one specific someone. Let's see which two colors could be lucky for you for the remaining month time. Chocolate number 13, nourish your body and soul. It's high time for you to nourish your body. For some of you, I feel like, either you or your person needs to build their confidence. Like right now, maybe there is lack of confidence. It's high time that you learn how to be more confident, how to love yourself the way you are. That is a much needed thing, be that for you or for the person that you are dealing with. So you can have, a chocolate color clothing on for this remaining month time. It's going to be, bringing some it's going to bring you some sort of fulfillment from deep within. For others of you, you can always, like, I feel like, it's very important for you to nurture yourself in one way or the other. Nurturing yourself, your body, mind and soul, is going to help you a lot in taking the right path forward towards this one person in your life. Chocolate and orange is going to be a lucky, color for you for the remaining month time. Orange also helps you to speed things up in your life as well. So you can always light some orange candles if you want to speed up things in your love life or in other areas of your life as well. Relationship patterns, it takes strength to recognize the need for change. It's very important for you to start seeing the connections, the relationships that you have from a fresher perspective, from a different new perspective. How can you make things work this time? You really have to work towards those things. For some of you, like I said, if you always had, if you always tried to make it work but it never worked, and then you already always started having negative thoughts, fears around it, it means that you need to work on your self confidence first. Before that happens, you will always continue repeating the same pattern in your love life. You will come back together. You will, out of your fears, start picking up fights with the same person. So you really need to change the way you look at things from that perspective as well. You really have to be more confident in yourself, in your being, so that the person that you are interested in will also value you for who you are. Let's see more cards here. I am the dreamer of my dream. You are the one who's dreaming. You are the one who is making things happen. So think positive, manifest positive, and let things be. I feel like, it's very important for you to believe in your dreams right now as well. Divine order, everything is how it needs to be right now. Look past the illusion and see underlying order. I feel like, there are certain things happening in the background which you are unaware of. So let things happen. I feel like, this is the right time for you to pursue this person. This is the right time for you to take action toward that one person. And this is the right time because this was how it was planned to happen. Elder, move beyond ancestral patterns. Yes, again, it's a much needed change in the pattern or in the way you deal with relationships. Is asking, the nature is asking you to do that. The universe is asking you to change the patterns, change the habits of how you used to take connections earlier. It's time for you to bring some change in it. Otherwise, you will not get what you want. So there is a much needed change that needs to take place during this time. About how you take relationships, there are certain patterns that you think through about, when it comes to your love life. You really need to change, reflect upon them, and change what needs to be changed there. Let's see more cards. The energy is gaining momentum as you move towards the end of the month. I feel like, the energy of the need to change is going to emphasize, is going to enhance a lot, and you and your connection is going to start picking up pace now. Your passion for this person is going to start picking up pace now. The answers you need is coming. The things which are hidden right now, the things which are not something which are not, unfolded to you yet, you will start seeing those changes. You will start seeing those things coming forward, surfacing, I would say, because I feel like, they are pretty much there still, but you are unable to see the changes. You are unable to see the patterns changing on, on divine time as well. For some of you, you would feel like, something is like, crashing in your life, something is ending in your life, but that's how you have new patterns, new life beginning up for you. There has to be an ending to start a new beginning. So I feel like, for some of you, you might be feeling that something is basically collapsing in your life. There is something which is going to break you down, but you have no idea what is happening and what is going to happen in near future. So be patient, go with the flow, try to understand the patterns that are happening right now in your life, and know something good is coming for you, because there is like, this is happening in divine order. So have faith, stay positive, and let things happen. Let's see what the charms has to add to the reading. So we do have two alphabets, N and L. It can be your name initial of the person that you are dealing with. There is a strong love that you have for a person, or there is a person who has a strong love for you, but something needs to be buried in the past before you move in together, before you have a new beginning. Something needs to go. A need to be I feel like, for some of you, there could be an ego coming between the two of you as well, coming from either side. Compassionate, kind, peace, brave, strong, happy, thankful. So these could be the words that you need to put more focus to during this time as well. Ten of Wands and King of Pentacles. Somebody has to take strength, courage to move forward, putting an end to the past, and take stable steps, like, take solid steps to what you want, to what you desire. Let me take one more card from the charms here. Let's see what else do we have. Okay, two wands to come up, Four of Pentacles and Two of Wands. Again, it's time. It's like, the divine is asking you to take actions. The actions are much needed here. It's, you should you have waited for things to happen on their own. You didn't use things right way, and now it's divine time that you take action towards what you want. Stop hold on. Stop sitting back, doing nothing in this connection. If you really want this, you have to make a move towards it. So yeah, that's pretty much it coming up for you for the remaining month time. If the reading resonates with you, do like, subscribe, and share. If you're willing to get a personal reading, you can always reach out to me for that on my email ID in the description box. Till I do the next reading for you guys, take care. Bye bye.